Hey guys, Jenny Koko here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I correct my hyperpigmentation every time I do my makeup. So I have two ways that I do that, and I'm going to show you guys right about now. So I just applied my moisturizer. That's a step you do not want to miss. You guys already know that, and I'm just going to show you guys how my face looks like. You can see my face is different from my neck, the shade I mean. They are different. My face is darker than my neck, so I'm going to be using two foundation on both sides of my face. The first foundation I'm using is Mocha, maybe Fit Me Mocha, and the next one I'm going to use is Spicy Brown. So while I'm matching my face to my foundation on one side, I'm also matching my neck to my foundation on the other side, as you guys can see. So sometimes when I do the lighter bit, I'm going for like a glam look, but to be honest, I still kind of achieve the same result at the end of the day. So I'm just quickly going to blend and show you guys the results. So next, for my concealer, I'm going to be using a concealer shade that's about 2 shades lighter on the darker part of my face, and then I'm going to use a concealer that is about 1 shade lighter than my complexion, and that shade is in Fawn, while the other shade is in medium beige, I believe. Yeah, Elegant concealer, you all know the drill. I'm just going to blend this in very quickly and once again show you guys the difference. So I'm not using the same parts on my beauty blender. I'm kind of switching it up so you guys don't get confused. I'm using one part strictly for my left side and one part strictly for my right side. So now I'm going to set my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm setting both sides with the same powder shade because, you know, now I'm going to use my powder shade and then just apply powder all over my face, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other part of my face as well. So I'm sure you guys can already see that like it's coming together, but if you look closely, the right side from here is still all round lighter than my left part. So you can see the perimeter of my face on the left part is darker shades. I'm applying my low light on both ends. Is the part where everything tends to come together, as you can see. Now I'm just going to apply my powder shade all over my face just to blend everything all together. So at this point, to be honest, my skin work is, you know, most likely done. I just have to spray my face, but you guys can see that I still achieved the same results using two different foundation shades. Only one part is more or less like more subtle than the other part, but as soon as I spray my face and did the rest of my makeup, it was pretty much the same thing, y'all. I'll just let you guys be the judge.